water shut-off valves, whether they look like this or whether they're the ones under your sink, they can leak right here. They're notorious for, once you turn the water off and then you go to turn it back on, they'll leak down here. So I turned it off, now I'm turning it back on. They can start to leak right down here at the bottom. There's a real quick fix. You just take a wrench to this nut that's down here at the base and you just tighten it just a little bit, just about that much. So just not even a quarter turn, just tighten it up a little bit and it'll stop leaking right down here. If that doesn't do it, then you may need to replace the valve, but that's just a quick, easy fix to a valve that's dripping after you turned it off. Here's another example of the valves. Once you turn it off and then go to turn it back on, it'll sometimes leak from back here, and there's this nut on the back, and you can tighten that once you get it turned back on. Sometimes it'll start leaking right back in here. And if you can tighten this, I would recommend a wrench, but you can do it with adjustable pliers. If you're careful, just grab it, tighten it just a skosh, and it should stop that leak. If it doesn't, then you may need to be time to replace the valve. If you are replacing these valves, I recommend the quarter turn ones because they do not have this same problem that the ones that you have to turn several times do.